Hey kid, you're fat. Oh.
Hey kid.
Oh, me?
Yeah, you.
God.
Hey, the world got you down?
Yeah.
Feel like you're fat?
Yeah.
Hey, then try one of these.
Whoa, what is this?
It's Coke!
What do I do with it?
Just take a drink.
Hey, listen, I'm sorry. Oh, God. Drink a Coke. Drink Coke. Yeah. Oh,
Nice tan.
Well, you know, go in the sun all day.
Some
It's okay.
farmer's tan.
Well, that's alright. Drink Coke. Groovy. Drink Coke. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, nice tan.
Well, you know, get out in the sun all day.
I do that farmer tan.
Yeah, well, it's alright.
Second time. And look, you didn't even clean this up.
Alright, let's go. One more time.
Let's keep that one.
Drink Coke!
And if you want Coke, but with the less calories.
Get the heck out of
I'm sorry.
here. Drink this.
Yeah! Good God!
Yeah!
Oh, nice tan.
Thanks.
Go for the farmer tan.
It's okay. Drink Coke. BCS. Groovy.